Hi, my name's Gary Buckle and I'm a support worker. We go out on a daily basis with our service users, and it could be anything from taking them to the cinema, maybe going for a game of pitch and putt or 10-pin bowling. Should they need the support to health appointments, we do that also. I've worked in factories all my working life, just over 30 years, and I want to become a support worker because of the publicity that mental health is getting on the news now, and it's more and more prevalent, and thought that I could possibly change people's lives for the better. Job satisfaction is something that I've never had before. People used to tell me that they loved the jobs and I thought they were crazy, but I can honestly say that I do really love what I'm doing. Before I came into the job, I had no specific qualifications for social care, although I felt I may have some attributes that would be useful. The company did all my relevant training. The first thing we needed to do was the care certificate, which is online. I've had probably a dozen training courses. I'm now training for a level 4 in lead care. It's a job where you're learning on the job all the time anyway, because no 2 days are ever the same. You need to be flexible, you need to be patient with them, listen. Communication is obviously a big thing. Liam is a young lad that at the moment is living with his parents, and his long-term goal was to be comfortable with moving out into supported accommodation. He is a massive Arsenal fan. All he wants to do is talk about football. He's someone that's always relied very heavily on just tapping his card and not really realising the value of money, and I've tried with him, and we've worked out a budget plan where he's saved money this year, and also I try and get him, when buying small things, to use cash and count it out. I think if you're thinking of this sort of work, give it a go, because I wasn't sure whether I would be able to do it, and if I can, I'm sure there's plenty more that can.